Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video we learn how to solve 2 by 2 matrix, complex matrix with the help of a Casio calculator. So let's see, we taking this equation from chapter 9, 10 of the book, and as you can see, this is the Z parameter, this one is Z parameter, then the current, and this is voltage parameter. So the first thing we do is just copied it here. We name the parameters. So like 19.J8 is named as A alpha, then minus 9 minus J3 is named B. Since this is also same, therefore this is also B. 13 minus J we name it C, and the two voltage parameters we name E and F. So delta, this is the part delta, so we write it separately. Delta is now this term, and as you know that we, to find the value, we cross multiply. So this multiply, so we'll write it as A and C. A multiply C, so AC, minus, then we cross multiply this one, so minus B into B. So this is the delta term. And now in this question we have to find I2, and I hope you remember that to find I2 we need delta 2 divided by delta. Now what is delta 2? We replace the second column of delta with the voltage. So we are replacing this column with this voltage terms. So this becomes delta 2. And here also we write the equation. So it is AF minus BE. Now this far we have already got the two equations, and for current now we divide delta 2, that is AF minus BE divided by delta AC minus BE, and hopefully we'll get this answer. This is I have written just to verify whatever we get from the calculator. So up to this is done, and now we go to the calculator. Now before you start, it is better that you turn on the calculator and then see whether we are in the complex mode or not. If we are not, then what we have to do is we press this mode switch, and you can see number 2 is complex, so we press button number 2, and now we are in complex mode and ready to enter complex data. Okay, so now there are two ways of solving equations. First of all, I'll tell one of the ways, and then in the end I'll just give hint of the second way. So in the first way, we first of all we write this equation. Now this equation is in fraction form, so what we'll do is we'll select this fraction button here. So selecting this, and now we input AF minus BE. Now for that, now where is A, B, C? Look, this is A, B, C, D, E, F, X, Y, and M. So these are the 9 variables available to us. We have only used 6. So anyway, now we need to put A. So since these are all in red, therefore we have to press this red button, that is alpha button. So to put A, I press alpha and then A. So A is there, and then AF. This top one is F, AF, BE first of all. So F same as alpha, and F minus BE, again red button, B, red button, E. So numerator is complete. You can see AF minus BE, AF minus BE. And now to go to the denominator, we use this button down. So we are in the denominator, and same way we'll put AC minus BB. So A, C minus B B. So we have inputted or written the equation, and now we'll press this calculate button. Okay, so when we have pressed this, now it is asking what is the value of A. Ignore this one since I had used this calculator and this is stored in the memory, but ignore this. We just reply this question: A is how much? So from here we know A is 19 minus J8. So we'll input 19, 1, 9 minus J8 or 8J or 8I actually here. So 8, and for I will use this engineering button. So I press this 8I. So 19 minus 8I we have inputted, and so we just press now the equal sign. So A is inputted. Now it is asking for F. F is J32 or 32I. So 32 engineer 32I equal sign, asking for B. B is minus 9 minus J3 with bracket. So minus bracket 9 minus 3I close bracket equal sign. Then asking for E. E is 20 minus J32. So 20 minus 32I. So E is done. Now C. C is 13 minus J. So 13 minus I equal. Okay, so now all the values have been inputted, so it is now displaying the result. So this result is in fraction form. Don't worry, there's a very simple technique. We press this button SD. On your calculator you might have to press this twice to get the answer. So I'm pressing it. So this is now the value in rectangular form. So 1.18, and this is 2I. So 1.189 plus J2. This is the answer we have got in rectangular form. Now if you want to go to polar form, there is an option available, this complex here. To go to the complex, we press shift complex, and now it is asking what do we want to do. We want to go to polar, that is r theta. So we press 3. Okay, so this is the answer now, 2.3 something, and then angle 59 something. Can't read it clearly. Again we press SD. So now it is clear, 2.36 and angle 59.85. So 2.36 angle 59.85. So this is how you solve a 2 by 2 matrix. And the other technique that I was going to tell you is that instead of first of all inputting the equation, we input the values. And how is that done? I'll just demonstrate one. First of all, you write this value. It is no more asking what is A and B. So we just, let's say the first one, 19 minus 8I, and now we use this store button. So shift store, and it is now waiting for the name. And now to input name or A, we don't need to press alpha, we just press this button. We don't need to press this one, we just press this. So it is saying that 19 minus 81 is saved as A. Okay, this is fine, and now we'll press AC, and same way we input all the other values. And after we have inputted all the 6 values, and then we'll go to this division option, and we'll input the formula. We get the result as we got. So I hope this gives you an understanding as to how you can solve it with the help of a calculator very easily. Thank you.